Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today, I have these three Siku. Siku is a German diecast toy company, but like everyone else, it's made in China now. So let's have a look. Now, for my local Malaysian viewers, Siku means elbow in Bahasa, but we don't bother about that. Uh, the numbers, that one is in green. I've noticed that in this color, gray is more expensive. The green one is cheaper. Why? I don't know. Maybe because this is a nice supercar. And the blister packaging has this tab. So we can just slide out the card without having to tear and destroy the whole thing. Like this. And you get the car. And what we all like about Siku is they give you a free small catalog. Actually, it's quite a lot. The green section is farmer series. So you have tractors and farm equipment. And the blue one is the diecast. They call it the Siku Super. Construction machine, buses, trailer, cranes, tram. Food truck is nice. Is it focus? Because it's very small. Anyway, we are interested in the car. Porsche Panamera. And with Siku, you get rubber tires. Plastic base though. Opening doors. With interior. Seats, center console, steering wheel. Porsche logo in the middle. Very nice. License plate is part of the body. Yep, lights is a separate piece. Very nice. So this is effectively a 5-door hatchback. So the green one is a lorry. Now I know. Why is it cheaper? Because there is no license. Okay, I'm having difficulties removing it. Okay, now I've done it. Looks like a Scania, but it's not mentioned. So they have, it's a generic lorry. 2 recycle items. This is paper. It says recycle for paper, and this one another recycle bin. Okay, without this it's still nice. Interior The steering wheel is just a stump, part of the dashboard that is no good. Plastic wheel, yes, that's why it's cheaper. And lastly, Mercedes 300 SL. This blister card does not have the tab, so you have to split it open, and it's gray, so it's more expensive. um I don't like the wheels. It doesn't fit the car from this era, the 1960s. But uh does it open? Yes, it opens. No. Yes, it opens. The other side, I have to use something to pry it open. Yes. Whew. Gull wing doors, like a rabbit's ear. You see from the shadow. Mm. Seats, interior, everything is red. Steering wheel, nice. Except the wheels. Rear lights painted, front lights separate piece. So overall, a nice car in white. I don't know why the two red stripe here. Mm. So thank you for watching. Uh, just now I went to the Japan second-hand shop. So the next following video, I will upload my pack hunting at the Japan second-hand shop, and you shall see. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.